If you are looking to be financially independent, or you are looking for creating an income opportunity for yourself, or you want to start your own business, then I am going to give you 5 reasons as why you should consider mutual fund distribution as the business proposition for you. Hello everyone, I'm Shobhit. I am a founder of FinBiz Growth Club, which is a community to breed new age mutual fund successful distributors. And to start with, first let's understand what is the most prominent reason which I can give you for starting your business in mutual fund industry. The most important thing is this business has been proven not only in India but all over the world. The volume of mutual fund business as a percentage of country's GDP is 65%. This means all over the world people are investing their money through these vehicles to meet their financial goals. And you and I know very well 65% is a huge number if we are talking about average. Some countries would be very low, some countries would be very high. Most of the developed countries, especially US and European countries, this number is more than 100%. So it itself speaks a lot about the proven capability of this product. Through this product, most of the individuals are investing in various countries to meet their financial goals. This is an industry where you can invest in multiple asset class in a professional manner at a very low cost. So this is one of the best reason which I can give you, because until unless the product is good, until unless the product has a capability to deliver the results which the customer is looking for, it is not going to survive on a long-term basis. And believe me guys, in India we have just got started. As of now, the size of mutual fund industry is 36 lakh crore. So it has been a huge vehicle not only in India but all over the world for investors to invest their money to meet their financial goals, and I think that's the opportunity which you should grab in. The other reason which I can give you is it can help you in creating multiple source of income. So if you're already into some profession, this advisory business of mutual funds doesn't require you to work 24 by 7. You can work part-time, you can work full-time. Whenever you have time, you can work either from home or from anywhere else. And the beauty of this business is 100% paperless. So you can work 24 by 7 whenever you have time, whenever your client has time. You can advise on Sunday, you can work on Monday, you can work night at 10, morning at 6. Whenever your client is available, when you are available, you can advise and do the transaction for your client. So there is a huge flexibility which is there. Now, the way mutual fund distributors are compensated in this industry, that is very unique. And the concept is called trail commission concept. Now, what we mean by trail commission? We mean by trail commission is you are going to be receiving commission for the advisory which you are doing for the money which is going to be invested over a period of time. So unlike other industries, say insurance, where whenever you are giving the premium check, then only you are going to get commission. In this industry, you are going to receive commission till the money has been invested. So if you advise today and your client invests say 1 lakh rupees and that money is going to be there for the next 10 years, you are going to receive commission for the next 10 years. And that is the beauty of this business, where you are going to get consistent commission over a period of time. But that's not all. You are going to receive commission on the market value of the investments and not on the investment value. This means as the investment value will grow, your commission will also keep on growing. In case you want to dive more deep into it and understand the various aspects of mutual fund distribution business, I would highly recommend that do join my masterclass where I'm going to share with you how you can become a mutual fund distributor in 21 days or less. The link is in the description. Do register for the masterclass. So as I told you, the commission is going to be given to you on the market value. So as with time, the investment value will grow, your commission will also grow. This is a very good business proposition where you can have a passive growing income for the advisory which you have done. So if you are really looking for a passive income or want to create a multiple source of income for yourself, then you should consider joining this industry. The third reason which I can give you is there is a huge potential for mutual funds in Indian market. This is a sunrise industry which I can tell you. The penetration of mutual funds in Indian households is very low. Only 2.5% of Indian population today is investing through mutual funds. So if you consider the numbers, as I told you, the size of mutual fund industry is 36 lakh crore. But if you compare this with, say, bank fixed deposits, it is more than 140 lakh crore. So you can understand what kind of business opportunity we are talking about. At such a low penetration, the amount of business which you can get from the market is huge. And because of the proven capability of this product, the growth of this product has been tremendous. In last 10 years, this industry has grown by fivefold. Only in the last year, when there was pandemic in 2021, this industry has added 81 lakh investors. So you can imagine, if you are not joining this bandwagon, you are going to miss a big opportunity to create a very good business proposition for you. And especially in current environment, it is a very good vehicle to get into. As the bank fixed deposit rates have come down drastically, or people are actively looking for opportunity where they can put money and get better tax efficient return. And mutual fund over a longer period of time has proven that it can give you a very reasonable or tax efficient higher return over a longer period of time. So if you look in the past 10, 15, 20 years performance of mutual funds, it has consistently given and delivered better return than most of the other investments vehicle. But the good part is mutual funds is a vehicle through which you can invest in multiple asset class. It is not only about equities. Through mutual funds, you can invest in debt, you can invest in gold, you can invest in real estate. So it acts as a proxy to the economy of a country. It is very good industry which has just started growing at a tremendous pace. And if you want to get the benefit of this, I would highly recommend that do consider joining this industry. So what about the fourth? The fourth reason which I can give you is the financial and educational requirement for this industry to be joined as a mutual fund distributor is negligible. So it means if you are 18 years and above, you can become a mutual fund distributor. There is no educational qualification required. So if you are ready to serve other, you are ready to become a mutual fund distributor. Anyone and everyone who wants to serve their influence, their community, their friends to meet their financial goals, to have a better financial life, they should join this bandwagon. And what is the financial commitment? As of now, you need to pay only 3,250 rupees plus GST to become a mutual fund distributor. And what is the earning potential? It is unimaginable. The upper ceiling is nothing. The lower ceiling or the investment which you need to make is only 3,250 rupees. Let me ask you, how many businesses are there today in the market in which you can start your business with only 3,250 rupees? I don't imagine any business with such a low proposition but with a very high return on your investments. You don't require an office. You don't require an employee. You can work 24 by 7. And that is the proposition which we are talking about. So I hope you guys are excited to dive into this industry because the commitment from the financial side or on the educational side is very low. If you are able to commit yourself, you can have a huge market for yourself. The last reason which I can give you to consider join mutual fund industry as a mutual fund distributor is the kind of target market you can have. Almost anyone in the market you can target for mutual fund investments. It can be retail investors, it can be HNIs, it can be corporate investors. For retail investors, they can start their mutual fund investment journey with as low as 100 rupees per month. So now you will not have that hurdle to get a minimum amount of investments. Even with 100 rupees, somebody can start their investment journey in mutual funds. The other benefit for retail investors is they can invest for any time period from 1 day to 10 years to 50 years till whatever time the client wants to invest money, mutual fund has a product to offer. The other benefit is there is a huge liquidity. Just imagine if you're buying physical gold, if you're buying real estate properties, there the liquidity is always a crunch. It means you are buying from someone, you are going to sell someone, and then there will be a price negotiation. But in mutual funds, the buyer and seller of mutual fund units is the same mutual fund company. And the price is also declared on a daily basis in a transparent manner. So the liquidity is very high and you know when you are going to get money, you don't have to find either a buyer or seller for your investments. And for HNIs, this vehicle has been proven to be a tremendous way to invest their money and get tax efficient return. In any asset class, maybe equity or debt, if you are investing through mutual funds, you are going to get an tax efficient return because the tax liability reduces to a large extent. Then you can invest in multiple asset class. You can have a professional approach to investments. Now, no more you guys are or your investors are going to listen to your friends and going to start investment in equities or other schemes. Here, a fund management team with 50, 60, 100 guys are going to work day in, day out to research which companies to buy so that you can have a better return. The cost is also very low. There is a huge cost reduction if you are going to invest through a mutual fund route, and all these things are very transparent. So day in, day out, you and your customer knows how much they are paying for the vehicle through which they are investing. And most important thing, the regulatory framework is very strong. Mutual funds are regulated through SEBI, so everything is well taken care of. There is lot of checks and balance. I know in India, people are very skeptic about their money. The safety is paramount. As they say, return of the money is more important than return on money. And that's why mutual funds have a very good platform where it has been largely or where it has been regulated to each and every aspect of money and investments. So I hope I am able to convince you to join this industry as a mutual fund distributor. Believe me guys, this industry has just started growing. There's a huge opportunity for you to capture and help your influence and in the process make huge money for yourself. In case you like the content, do give your love by hitting that thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. In the comment box, do write the reason for which you are going to join mutual fund industry as a mutual fund distributor. I would love to see your reason why you want to become a mutual fund distributor. And don't forget to register for my 90 minutes free masterclass where I'm going to show you a path through which you can become a mutual fund distributor in 21 days or less. Thank you everyone for joining. I had a wonderful time discussing with you these 5 reasons. I hope you got your own reason and I'm going to see you next time.